Welcome to This Explainer. Look, if you're a homeowner staring out at your yard right now, dreaming of a pristine outdoor space, but absolutely dreading the nightmare of actually getting it built, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're mapping out a highly effective blueprint to master your landscape construction. We're going to look at how tapping into a completely unified ecosystem can literally take you from messy dirt to a polished finish, all without those usual agonizing headaches.
Okay, let's just rip the Band-Aid off and validate the biggest fear of anyone embarking on a renovation. As industry experts will tell you, the standard way of managing these complex backyard projects is almost always plagued by costly delays and miscommunication. It's just true. The traditional way of building is chaotic, it forces you to juggle a million different schedules, and honestly, it absolutely hemorrhages your hard-earned money.
So to get you past all that stress, we're going to break this process down into 5 clear steps. 1. The backyard renovation chaos. 2. The unified ecosystem solution. 3. Precision structural retaining walls. 4. Elite accredited installers. And 5. Zero downtime logistics.
Let's start right at the beginning with step 1, the backyard renovation chaos and how we escape the mess.
This is the monster of renovation chaos that so many homeowners are dealing with right now. We're talking leaning, rotting old timber retaining walls and wildly overgrown, unmanageable yards. This is the hard yakka. And to fix this the traditional way, you have to jump between different businesses, basically crossing your fingers that your demolition guy finishes before the retaining wall guy shows up and praying the materials actually arrive on time. You're essentially gambling on random contractors.
But when we compare that old, exhausting way of juggling scattered trades against the Excalibur Business Hub's single point of contact, the solution becomes incredibly obvious. Traditional building leaves you acting as the stressed-out middleman. The Excalibur way, however, acts as your central navigator. It totally transforms how the industry connects by bringing trades, suppliers, and you, the customer, into one powerful, integrated network. No more scattered sourcing. Which brings us nicely to step 2, the unified ecosystem solution, getting everything under one roof. Instead of hoping for the best with random contractors, you get access to all these trusted, premium local partners in one highly structured ecosystem. Through the Excalibur Business Hub, you can source your locally manufactured structural concrete sleepers and metal posts right from the Excalibur Steel Hub. You can order fresh, farm-cut grass from AeroTurf, access high-grade natural stone products, and even orchestrate a complete luxury backyard transformation with Misty Pools, who, by the way, bring over 30 years of experience. Everything you need is seamlessly integrated. And the real-world impact of that integration is just wild. A daunting, deep, muddy excavation, that messy dirt pit stage, is completely transformed into a highly engineered, stunning, multi-tiered retaining wall. This is what happens when suppliers and trades are perfectly aligned from concept to completion. Everything just works together to drastically raise the standard of the results.
Let's move to step 3, precision structural retaining walls, the literal foundation of your project.
The integrated system they use here is an absolute marvel of efficiency. It turns what is usually a complex, super heavy construction job into a beautifully simple interlocking process. It works in 3 easy steps. First, secure the vertical metal posts, which have an H profile, into the ground. Second, take the precision-engineered concrete sleepers and stack them horizontally. They literally slide right down into the channels of those metal uprights. Finally, lock them firmly in place. That's it. No complex fasteners to worry about. It is incredibly satisfying how cleanly those locally manufactured sleepers just drop effortlessly right into the vertical structural supports. It creates a secure, tightly interlocking retaining wall that holds back earth with incredible strength. It looks fantastic, but more importantly, it's designed for low maintenance and durability. It's built to last a lifetime.
Now, you might be wondering, okay, how does it stay perfectly rigid without traditional bolts? The secret lies in the Excalibur sleeper wedges. These are essential locking components designed to achieve a completely secure fit between your sleepers and those steel channels. Once the sleepers are slotted in, these wedges guarantee zero sleeper movement. Your wall remains perfectly straight and robust, period. And get this, achieving that flawless structural lock only costs $10 for a pack of 25 wedges. I mean, $10. It just proves that incredible engineering doesn't actually have to break the bank. It's a tiny detail, sure, but it's exactly the kind of smart, cost-effective engineering that ensures long-term performance without a massive price tag attached. Next up is step 4, elite accredited installers, the experts executing the vision. The Hub doesn't just sell you materials and then say, good luck, figure it out. No way. It connects you directly with a specific network of official factory-accredited installers. We're talking about elite teams like Bring to Life Landscaping, who specialize exclusively in this precision installation. You've got Mode Landscapes with over 20 years of trade-qualified expertise, plus Steady Eddies, Urban Landscaping, and Willis Landscapes. These experts have decades of combined experience, and they operate entirely within the ecosystem.
When you have an accredited installer on site managing a highly structural retaining wall build, the dynamic completely changes. You, the homeowner, do not have to micromanage. You just sit back and let the master conductors orchestrate the build. They already know exactly how the unified system works, so there's zero guessing on site.
As the team at Steady Eddies points out, their goal is to use that factory accreditation to deliver the gold standard in concrete sleeper retaining walls. Hiring from within the ecosystem means the job gets done right the first time. And for a homeowner, that is massive. It completely eliminates those hidden, deeply stressful rework costs that inevitably pop up when a random contractor makes a mistake. Finally, step 5, zero downtime logistics, which is where we see the final payoff. The absolute secret weapon here is their dedicated delivery partner, Mitark Hub. This logistics network operates quietly and efficiently right in the background. Because they're tied directly into the central communication network, they know the exact schedule of your project. They ensure heavy materials are dropped safely curbside at the exact moment the tradies are ready to start. The fresh turf arrives right as the site is prepped. Paving goes down exactly as the pool goes in. It creates this amazing state of zero downtime. Think about what that actually means for your wallet. You are no longer losing money paying trades by the hour just to stand around drinking coffee, waiting for delayed materials to show up. And the results of this perfectly timed coordination, they absolutely speak for themselves. You get perfect integration, fresh turf, lush plantings, and those beautiful polished concrete sleeper walls, all coming together flawlessly. And as if the savings on labor weren't enough, check this out. This is literally the ultimate homeowner's cheat code. HubBucks. It's an integrated rewards program that adds ongoing, direct financial value right back into your project, simply for keeping your renovation within their unified ecosystem. You are literally being rewarded financially just for choosing the smarter, more structured path. From the muddy dirt and leaning timber we talked about at the beginning, all the way to a pristine, polished stone finish. Utilizing one central navigator ensures an entirely stress-free and visually stunning reward. It really is project delivery, fully evolved. So, I want to leave you with this final thought to consider for your own property. Why pay for construction downtime when you could literally be earning HubBucks? It is time to stop paying for the chaos of the old way and start investing in a smarter evolution of project delivery. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, here's to your completely stress-free backyard transformation.